Every year it is the same shape. October feels early, so nothing happens. Then the second week of December arrives, and you are ordering things that cannot get there in time, buying a gift for somebody you forgot, and cooking on the day with no plan for the oven. This is the Christmas planner. 122 printable pages, 14 sections, sequenced so that nothing ever lands on a date when it can no longer be done. I am going to walk you through the real pages, in order, so you can see exactly what you would be printing. Section 1 is Start Here, and it is one sitting in October. Your Christmas at a glance. How many people, which house, what the season actually has to include this year. Then the dates that cannot move, the recitals, and the flights, and the work party, written down before you plan anything around them. Then who is doing what, which is the page that quietly fixes the biggest problem in the book, because a plan with your name in every single row is exactly how December goes badly. Section 2 is the countdown, and it is the spine of the whole planner. October week by week, November week by week, and then every single day from the 1st of December to the 26th. 26 December days, 34 dated stops in total, each one carrying its own tasks. The cards get ordered in the week the cards have to be ordered. The shipping cutoff sits on the day it actually falls. You are not looking at a to-do list and deciding what to do today. You turn to today's date and the decision is already made. Section 3 is Gifts, and it follows one gift from the idea all the way to under the tree. The master list, then a whole page for anyone who is genuinely hard to buy for. Then a page for what is ordered and where it is, because in December the question is never what did I buy, it is where is it. And there is a page called Where I Hid It, which exists because every family finds a wrapped gift in February that was bought in October. Section 5 is Cards. You set the mail date first and work backward from it. The address list is the part that pays you back, because next year it is already written. Section 6 is the menu. 3 meals decided in one sitting, so that one shopping list can cover all of them, written out in aisle order so you walk the store once. And then the page I would print on its own, work backward from serving time. You start at the hour you are eating and you count backward, resting time included. That page is the difference between a calm kitchen and a kitchen where 3 things need the oven at once. Now here are the 2 sections that most Christmas planners simply do not have, and they are the reason this one is a book. Section 13 is the last week. December the 18th to the 25th, written for the point where ordering stops being a plan. What still has time to arrive? What has to be bought in an actual shop now? Then the 22nd and 23rd hour by hour, a Christmas Eve run sheet with real clock times, and the half hour after everybody is asleep. And section 14 is after Christmas, which almost nothing else includes. The returns and their deadlines, the thank you list, packing the decorations so next you can find them, and a note to yourself for next Christmas, written on the 26th while you still remember what actually went wrong. The paper handles the thinking. The spreadsheet companion handles the parts that keep changing. 6 tabs. The gift list, 120 rows, with a status column so you can see what is still not ordered. Where I am, which is 4 numbers that tell you whether December is calm or not. The card list, 100 rows. Menu and shopping, 60 rows, which is the one you actually want on your phone in the shop. And the same countdown, so you can tick it off wherever you are. It opens in Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and Apple numbers. One more thing, because it is the real reason people regret buying a printable. Ink. This was measured, not estimated. Across all 122 pages of the letter file, mean ink coverage is 0.996% of the page area. The lightest page is 0.272%, and the heaviest is 2.076%. The book is white by design. You can measure it yourself with a page ink coverage tool, and the exact command is in the listing. That is the whole book. 122 pages in 14 sections, in US letter and in A4, plus the sheet's companion. 4 files, instant download. So if you are watching this in December, it is in your hands tonight. The link is in the description and pinned in the top comment. Get it now while it is still October in your head, because the whole point of this planner is the part that happens early. Print section 1. Do it in one sitting, and let the countdown carry the rest. Link below. Have a calm December.